Hello, my little divas. I'm doing a part two of your deepest, darkest secrets because pehli video, first of all, you guys ate it up, and I love reading the unhinged lore. So I asked you guys to send in your unhinged lore or your deepest, darkest secret on my Instagram. And well, a lot of you did. जिसमें से I tried कि मैं सारे ना पढूं ताकि मेरा raw reaction आपको भी दिखे. But जो एक दो मैंने notification से पढ़े, मैं हिल गई वो देख के. Let's get into the video. I have my laptop here जिसमें से मैं देख के पढ़ रही हूँ. So if you're wondering कि मैं बार बार इधर क्यों देख रही हूँ, you know. Okay. When I was a kid, I was touched multiple times by a close relative of mine. I just realized a few years back. Well, this is quite a start to the video. Did you confront them? My question is, did anyone ever find out कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है? अगर नहीं पता चला ना तो या तो यू टेल योर पेरेंट्स या फिर किसी भी शादी में या किसी फंक्शन पे ब्रिंग इट अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर किड्स और देयर वाइफ्स. नॉट सेइंग उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी. एक्चुअली आई डोंट गिव अ फक बिकॉज इफ दे आर फकिंग असॉल्टर देन उनकी जिंदगी बर्बाद होनी चाहिए. I once found a condom in my parents' closet. I took one out, put it on my thumb, and just tried giving a love you. Well, I love you more. And that is quite. Did you know it was actually you must because if you're fucking doing shit to it then you know, but that's crazy. I don't like this parent stuff. Okay, I don't like to think that you know what I'm saying, right? Like मुझे ये सोचने में कुछ होता है, but well, you are a strong one. Dad saw pregnancy symptoms in my Google search history. I'm 16, by the way. Oh my lord. First of all, since you're 16, shouldn't be in a situation where you have to search all this up. But well, now that you are, just be safe, okay? Be safe. Use all kinds of protection available in the market, but just be safe. Or wait till you're 18. Got caught sneaking a boy in my room at 3 a.m. Thank God he escaped. That's actually crazy. Something like that happened with me also when I was in like 10th grade or something. I had a guy in my room, and then suddenly my mom came and मुझे उसको जो मेरे घर के साथ में एक भूतिया घर है मैंने उससे बोला भाई कूद कूद तो यहाँ से उस भूतिया घर पे जाके फिर अपने घर से निकला था. बट आई थिंक एवरीवन's experienced that. My dad mistook me for my mom and groped me at night. And I sort of liked it. Gee, I'm speechless. You need therapy. Let me pay for your therapy. Come, text me. I'll pay for your therapy. Because that's wrong, girl. That's wrong on so many levels that I can't even begin to explain. But that's wrong, yeah. When I was in UKG, I and a guy who was of the same age, we used to kiss on the lips privately. Thing is that Indian parents, it's also very unnatural, right? Kissing or like being affectionate like that. तो इतनी curiosity तो बच्चों में जाग ही जाती है. Well, I don't know what to say about that. Hope you had a nice time. Got caught vaping. I left my vape on the table and my mom found it the next morning. And Mari to my mummy ne. I want to know how do you get out of this? Because well, once my mom also found my lighter and it took me so long just to like face her. So that is that. Another thing is that don't vape. I recently heard that a very close friend of mine, he's literally gonna go through a surgery because of vaping. Vaping is really, really bad. Just don't vape. Do whatever, don't vape. My friend beats me up, marks and pain almost everywhere. Later, he says that he can't control his anger, so that's his way of loving me. He threatens me that he will leave me if I stop doing things for him. I did everything for him. Bro, that's very fucked. Instead of this being a deepest, darkest secret, this is a crime that you haven't reported. No one who is supposed to love you will ever even think of laying a hand on you. So do not encourage that behavior. Leave him. What do you mean he will leave you if you stop doing you leave him. तुम छोड़ो उसको भाई. कैसा पागल है वो बंदा. मार के चले जाएगा तुम्हें तो फिर ऐसा कौन सा बॉयफ्रेंड भाई. That's really fucked. I'm so mad for you. When I was 11, I found out that my mother is bisexual, and one of her friends came to our house, and I could hear. Oh, how do you accept that? Like, there's one thing parents accepting that their kids are gay, and that's fine because that's normal. That's something parents can accept. Accepting that your mom is gay, actually, not even accepting, just like finding out by because her friends come over. That is a deep dark secret. Did you tell anyone, like, what happened now? Is she still hanging out with that friend? Does your dad know? My girlfriends watched on a school trip under a blanket. The room had 10 girls. Girls' night out! It's fine. I don't think that's very bad. I don't know if I should say this or not, but when I was 13 or 14, I kissed my cousin's sister. I'm a girl. Was your cousin sister also 13 or 14, or was she elder? Because if she was, then that's fucked. And 13, 14 में आपको इतनी अक्ल तो होती है to know, well, what's right and what's wrong. I'm not saying kissing a girl is wrong. I'm saying that, well, cousin, little cuckoo, right? I created a hate page for someone because she insulted my mom and people shared. See, let me tell you one thing. No one should ever deal with this. No one should ever deal with their private pictures going online or going public. That's the worst form of humiliation. So I'm sorry that she insulted your mom, and she probably, like, she did suffer for that, but this is not the right way to suffer. Something like this stays with you for the longest time, and it can fuck your mental health really badly. If you're someone who's gone through this, I'm really sorry. Or if you're someone who's done this to others, karma's gonna fuck you up. I'm not kidding. Writing his projects to making his resume, still neither does he take me out and says that you are very ugly. भाई तो छोड़ दो ना, उसके प्रोजेक्ट क्यों कर रहे हो? जो बंदा तुम्हें बोल रहा है कि तुम भद्दे दिखते हो, ओ माय गॉड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप थोड़े क्रैक हो क्या? एक तो आप उस बंदे के लिए सब कर रहे हो. यू, इट शुड बी द अदर वे अराउंड. The guy should be after you. Why you, my diva? Why are you after a guy? Is it because you follow me? But listen to me. Jokes aside, if someone says that you're ugly, call them out. Make them insecure. उनको उनकी 10 कमियां बता दो. कि I think your nose is fat. I think your eyes look ugly. I think your lips look bad. I think your teeth look bad. Either do that or just shut the fuck up and go home. Just do not tolerate it. No one should be in the position to make you feel bad about yourself. Are you listening to what I'm saying? एंड इसके बाद तुम मदर टेरेसा बन जाओ ना. उसके कपड़े धो दो जाके, उसके घर जाओ, उसको बोलो कि अपने जरा यूज कच्चे देना, मैं उनको धो देती हूँ. बस वही रह गया करना. एक्चुअली बस वही रह गया. आई एम सॉरी इफ आई एम बीइंग हार्श, बट वेल, आई एम जस्ट बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. This is what I would tell my best friends. Okay, so I went to Goa with my parents. I got lost in the resort, so I was searching for my room and I saw an Indian uncle with three chicks doing it. I didn't know what the fuck was that. मैं मम्मी के पास गई और मैंने मम्मी को बताया कि वो अंकल नेकेड होके ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे थे. I was in 6th grade. My mom slapped me and said फालतू की चीज़ों पर ध्यान दिलवा लो बस तेरा. उसके बाद टॉपिक पर कभी बात नहीं हुई. आई एम सो सॉरी. लाइक वेल, मम्मियों का पहला रिस्पॉन्स यही होता है कि बस गलत चीज़ों पे तू फ़ोन ज़्यादा देखती है ना, तभी तेरा फ़ोन ने तेरा दिमाग ख़राब किया है. बट well, that uncle was having the time of his life, right? A Buddha sir used to touch my friend's private parts. She didn't tell anyone about this except for me. ये कैसे टीचर है? इनको जॉब कौन दे रहा है? इनको कौन जॉब दे रहा है? ये कैसे भड़वे टीचर है? एक तो द थिंग इज दैट द किड्स आर सो स्कैर्ड दैट वो ये बात आगे भी नहीं लेके आते हैं, राइट? यू शुड, बिकॉज और भी लोग बहुत सारे अब फंस रहे हैं इन चीज़ों में. I just feel bad. A boy forced me and my friends to watch at the age of 12. We were traumatized. No shit, you were traumatized. Because the first time I was introduced to that, I just thought that that's the most disgusting thing ever. And I never, ever, ever want to be a part of something like that. Well, I'm so sorry for you. My parents were happy beside me. I used to sleep with them. I was in 4th or 5th standard. अरे यार, अपने बच्चों को एक कमरा ही दिला दो. और नहीं दिलाना तो उनके स्कूल जाने का वेट कर लो. Don't traumatize your kid, bro. This is the most disgusting thing. Like, I never want to imagine anyone's parents being in that position. Maybe we will be able to normalize it once, well, we're parents ourselves, but right now, it's fucked, yeah. I hate my best friend because she back bitches about me to my ex. She doesn't know that I know. तो वो आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं हुई. अगर वो आपके बारे में बकवास कर रही है, वो आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं हुई. अगर सी गॉसिप शेयर करना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं हूँ और मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ पता चलता है दैट शी नोज आई वुड टेल माई बॉयफ्रेंड, दैट इज डिफरेंट. ठीक है, गॉसिप इज डिफरेंट. बट सेइंग दैट ओ माई गॉड शी लुक्स सो अगली, ओ माई गॉड शी लुक्स सो फैट, दैट इज फक्ड एंड दैट्स नॉट योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सो either confront her or just थोड़ा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर लो ताकि आपको बुरा लगना ही बंद हो जाए आपको, बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम इज विद हर, राइट, नॉट विद यू. शी इज द वन हु कांट फकिंग कीप हर माउथ शट एंड शी इज प्रॉब्ली इनसिक्योर, विच इज वाई वो आपके बारे में घटिया चीजें जानकर आगे बता रही है अपने एक्स को, क्योंकि वेल ये भी रीजन हो सकता है कि उसके पास अपने एक्स से कोई बात करने का टॉपिक ना हो, तो वो आपके बारे में बात कर रही है. मैं काफी सही बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं ऐसे जिनके पास, जिनको वापस अपने एक्स के पास जाना होता है पर उन्हें समझ नहीं आता कि हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उससे, तो वो दूसरों के बारे में बकवास उनको जाके बोल देते, बिकॉज वेल दैट्स द ओनली जूसी टॉपिक एंड मे बी you are the reason why they are able to hold a conversation. So it is kind of flattering and kind of fucked. I had an intense makeout session with my uncle's childhood best friend. He's 26 and I'm 19. आपके अंकल के चाइल्डहुड बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ आपका एक इंटेंस सेशन हो गया. मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूं वर्ड्स में. मेरी शक्ल ही सब कुछ बोल देती है. We were really good friends at that time, and uncle had no idea. He knew I liked him. Well, see, there is a 7 year age gap that is pedo hone ki nishani. But since it wasn't illegal, I can't say anything bad about it. But you know, some things are legal, but they do feel illegal, and this is one of that. Stalked his mom's Facebook and found out that his name isn't even his real name. So you got catfished in real life? Does that happen? Does that actually happen? Have you ever gotten catfish like that कि मेरा नाम ये है but उसका actually नाम ही ये नहीं था? That's crazy. A girl tried to see me in the name of styling me and then pulled my pants off when I was in seventh. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, कोई जेंडर नहीं होता. पर्वर्ट्स का कोई जेंडर नहीं होता है. पर्वर्ट्स पर्वर्ट्स ही रहते हैं. मैं एक सीरीज देख रही हूँ, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, and that's only about perverts like this, which made me realize that they are all around you. I'm so sorry for you. That's assault. Wrote blood love letter for my ex and he ended up with my best friend. That's so sad. First of all, why did you do that? आप अपने खून से किसी के लिए लेटर लिख रहे हो. It's not worth it, यार. Even your text, even you saying hi should be worth it for the person who really likes you. अपना खून से कुछ करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है बेटा, please. This is something that I think everybody thinks is cool when they're like 10 to 14, but it's really not cool. It's actually so embarrassing that later on जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे और आपको ये चीज़ याद आएगी तो आप रात को सो नहीं पाओगे. Like, you know, आप सोने लगोगे, आपको याद आएगा और आपको like you'll just get the ick. And the fact that he went to your best friend after that, did your best friend know about it? If she did, then she's a bitch. I'm sorry. I once dated a guy for 2 months. He was a green carpet. He wasn't ready to commit, so I lost interest and told him. And he was okay and asked to be just friends. 5 months later, I found out that he hooked up with 10 plus people. Well, this is what I call too good to be true. जो आपको लगता है ना लोग कि ओ माय गॉड, ये तो बहुत अच्छा इंसान है यार, ये तो बहुत अच्छी इंसान है, ये तो बहुत स्वीट है, वो लोग दुनिया के सबसे बड़े प्लेयर्स होते हैं. उनके दिमाग में अलग ही एक षड्यंत्र रच रहा होता है. So my ex and I dated for 2 months before his mom found out and broke us up because I didn't have good grades. ये कैसा क्राइटेरिया है भाई? 36 के 36 गुण नहीं, 36 में से 36 मार्क्स आने चाहिए तभी आप मेरे बेटे को डेट कर पाओगे. Cut to 2023 when I came in 11th, his mom became my teacher and I became topper of her class and now she loves me but he hates me. I recently visited school for something and she ran to hug me, so it's kind of sweet. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मार्क्स देख के किसी को सोचना चाहिए कि वो बंदा आपके बच्चों के लिए ठीक है कि नहीं. ये तो अलग लेवल हो गया भाई. वैसे पहले बच्चों को बोर्ड की टेंशन कम है, जो अब उनको लगे कि मार्क्स कमाएंगे तो मेरा ब्रेकअप भी हो जाएगा. Okay, so basically, I was in a long distance last year. After months of planning, me and my childhood best friend made up a plan to meet him. After so many signs, first some family scene, they were taking us, got us sick, then Punjab बंद कर दिया था, and finally ऑल्टो में एक साइड बैग रखकर me and my friend sat in the corner and I shouldn't go there. While I was on my way to his city, this guy broke up with me saying that long distance is becoming hard for him. Not even a month later, he started dating another girl. He's now dating the second girl after me, but he still texts me every now and then. इसका मतलब है कि वो हमेशा से आपके ऊपर चीट करना चाहता था और उसको शायद आइडिया हो गया था कि आप आ रहे हो, तो उसने बोला मैं पहले ही ब्रेकअप कर लेता हूँ, इससे पहले आपको पता चले कि वो आप पे चीट कर रहा है. और अभी भी वो आपको इससे टेक्स्ट कर रहा है बिकॉज ही इज नंबर वन अ पर्वर्ट, नंबर टू ही जस्ट वांट्स अ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स एंड ही लव्स इनफिडेलिटी. So that's a bullet dodged. Good bullet dodged. Dated a guy who almost knew how to do black magic. Oh my god, same sis. Give me a high five. क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर भी कोई काला जादू करने I don't know कि करा था कि नहीं, but that's what my pandit says. When I was a teenager, I had a boyfriend and I called him to my home and got caught by my बुआ जी. अरे बुआ जी कहाँ से आ जाती हैं यार, ये बुआओं को बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. मतलब अब कोई बंदा बंदी मिल भी नहीं सकते बिना बुआ के पहचाने. एक बार मेरे को याद है पार्क में एक लड़के से मिल रही थी और कोई मेरा वो भी नहीं था बॉयफ्रेंड, मैं बस मिल रही थी ट्यूशन के बाद, और पूरे खानदान में सबको पता चल गया था. तुम्हें पता है प्यांशी एक लड़के के साथ थी. अरे तो भाई अगर लड़की के साथ होती तो तुम्हें ज्यादा हार्ट अटैक आता ना, तो मुझे लड़के के साथ ही रहने दो. I was dating this guy during COVID. He was from Pakistan. I was 11 and he was 26. 26. 15 साल बड़ा था वो आपसे. मैं ना, अगर मुझे कोई दिख गया तुम में से किसी बड़े आदमी से बात करते हुए, मैं घर आके थप्पड़ मारूंगी. दूर रहो, दूर रहो बड़े आदमियों से. प्लीज मैं हाथ जोड़, प्लीज मैं हाथ जोड़ी हूँ. I had my own sister, but we were like 15, 16 and feel very guilty for it. Oh my god. What is wrong? How 15, 16 में आपको सारी अक्ल आ जाती है. अब 10वीं क्लास में होते हो, आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आती है, आपको ये नहीं पता कि अपनी बहन के साथ करना गलत है. That's very bad. You should feel guilty for it because it's like incest. Sweet home Alabama. On 26th April is my birthday. Please wish me. Hi Sia, it is 26th April now that I'm recording this, and happy birthday. I don't know when this video will come out, but happy birthday. I hope you had a nice one. I climbed up my ex's window because he was breaking up with me and he wouldn't pick my call. आप तो थोड़े बॉयफ्रेंड पगलू लग रहे हो मुझे. I wouldn't say that this is the first time I've heard something like this. I just hope you didn't get hurt while getting out of the window. The first time I did it, it was unprotected in an abandoned building without a place to lie down. इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. आपको इतने रिस्क लेके कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप आराम से भी कर सकते हो. अबैंडन बिल्डिंग, एक तो ये सोचो कि जगह भी तो कितनी अनहाइजेनिक हुई ना. फिर बच के रहो यार, बीमारियां लग जाती हैं और कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. वैसे तो अनप्रोटेक्टेड तो चलो क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, और बीमारियां लग सकती हैं उससे. तो सेफ रहने में क्या दिक्कत है. आई नो दैट सम पीपल हैव दैट रिस्क किंक, बट बी सेफ. आगे जाके कुछ बनना भी तो है कि बीमारी होके रहना है बस. Caught my best friend making out with my ex, but I shushed continued the friendship until we broke up for different reasons. एक तो यार ये बड़ा दुखी बात है कि तुम्हारा बहनचोद बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही तुम्हारे बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ तुम पे चीट कर रहा हो. दैट्स सो बैड यू नो. लाइक मुझे तो गुस्सा आता है सोच के कि बहनचोद, ज्यादा दुख तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड का हो कि चल बॉयफ्रेंड तो फिर आ जाएगा, बट तूने कैसे करा यार ऐसा. One old uncle made me and my friend touch each other's pee-pee. We were little girls. He also showed us his. यार पीटो उस अंकल को, जाके पीटो. या अपने घर पे बता दो अगर आप उस अंकल को अभी भी जानते हो. कौन है भाई, ये लोगों को इतना लोगों का दिमाग का कर दिया है कि उनको लग रहा है कि ये सब सही है. एक्चुअली उनको पता है गलत है, एंड दिस दैट शिट टर्न्स देम ऑन इवन मोर. आई एम सो सॉरी. I was in a relationship for 2 years. I went out with my friends. That time my boyfriend wasn't there. We all played truth and dare, and I ended up kissing 2, 3 guys. Did this because I got to know he was cheating on me. Your vibe attracts your tribe. No, I'm sorry. See, if you got to know that he cheated on you and then you did it, then it's fine. If he was the one who cheated on you first, then he deserved it. Well, you guys have some really unhinged lore, and that was it for part 2 of this video. I get really entertained listening to all of this, but for the people who actually suffered, they've gotten essayed, I'm so sorry for you. I hope you're doing better. I hope you told someone about it except me and they could help you out of it. If you like these kind of videos, I will do more and give you more of my unhinged reaction to your unhinged lore. But until then, I will see you in my next video. Take care, all of you. Take care. I know you like these deep, dark secrets, but please be safe, okay? Please. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.